Hey everyone, I want to welcome you here with me, Daren from Madcap Toys, and of course Kathy's behind the video camera today.
Hello.
What we've got in is a lot of G.I. Joe action figures. They're all vintage. And I'm not going to name them all off, but I'm going to let Kathy look at them with you. Okay, we got I think about 30 of them. And I will have all these and the details put out when we put them on eBay and Mercari for our listings. Now, most of these guys, as you can tell, because they're standing on their own, are very tight. Now this, of course, is Wild Bill. I think it's variant 2. Some of them I know way better than others. That should be Metalhead right there. I believe this is General Hawk. So you guys know these are good condition if they're standing on their own. This here is Firefly. I don't know if this one's called Slice or not. I can't remember because that's about at the end of the era when I started getting out of playing with toys. I got married or something, right? All right. There we go. Show these off. Next, old gung-ho, everyone's favorite Marine. V1, G1, whatever you want to call him, Torpedo. I have no clue who that one is. I'll have to look him up. He may even be a chatmate as far as I know. We got a V1 Destro. There's somebody's gun. I don't know if it even goes with that. Here we go. The Russian Red October Man. Wetsuit, variant 2, I believe. We've got, I believe this is Storm Shadow, variant 2. Not real sure on this guy, so anyone knows some of these action figures that I'm not naming off, feel free to throw in your comment down in the comments section below. Again, I believe that's Metalhead. I think his name is Outback. I may be wrong on that. Everyone's favorite Ranger, Striker, or Stalker. And then I believe this is a second variant as well of Firefly. Okay, so let's see how many we got. I think that's it there. Get these out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So I got 22 G.I. Joes that are going to be listed on eBay and Mercari in the next few days. At latest it'll be about a week. But guys, these are a few of the items that I've got that if you're interested in it, and I've got a lot of G.I. Joe fans that follow us, especially on Mercari, be sure to keep an eye out because they will be getting posted and listed, and we're going to be pricing them to move. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.